When I was going to give my 5th exam in the professional program, I met with an accident because I fainted from the scooty and I fell off. When I opened my eyes in the hospital, I was like, oh my god, my dream is shattered. Now I can't get an all India rank because there is a break. Oh my god, and I was depressed. But then I met Gajrani sir. Never lose hope. At each stage, I have learned various things and I will sum up everything in 5 important points. What will happen when you will pass and go into your professional career? How are you guys going to deal with the questions which will be asked by your seniors, by the managing director and by the CEO, CFOs of the company? My name is Jyoti Gautam, and I hope that all of you are staying at home, staying well, fighting with all courage and vigor against COVID-19 pandemic. By way of brief introduction, I am and I was a student of Gajrani sir. As on date, I am a qualified company secretary and associated with Tier 1 law firm since last 3 years. To quickly start, when I entered professional course, I realized that this is going to be tough for me, and actually it's tough for everyone because there are so many students getting enrolled with passing percentage is so less. That's why being focused is more important. At each stage, I have learned various things and I will sum up everything in 5 important points. The first important point is the approach you follow while you study. Exam oriented and analytical approach. Exam oriented approach is very dangerous for you because at that point of time you are only reading few questions, few sections which will come in your exam. You will ratify the things and write it out in the exam sheet and you will pass. But what will happen when you will pass and go into your professional career? How are you guys going to deal with the questions which will be asked by your seniors, by the managing director and by the CEO, CFOs of the company? That's why it is always important to follow a holistic approach where you understand how to interpret law, how to analyze the sections, how to study the impact. And I would say very few teachers in the industry are analytical and interpretational focused. Undoubtedly, Gajrani sir is. And I would say his flow charts are so good that today also when I read a section, in my mind that flow chart starts operating. I'm able to understand, oh yeah, this is the tree, this is this falling, and this will be the 3 conditions. All these things start happening, right? Because you have been groomed up in such a way. That's why your student life is important because that is the basics which are being inculcated in your body. That is something which you will always carry with you even when you are intern, even when you are a professional, even you are a senior professional, whatever, wherever you go, you carry these things with you. And one more important point, half knowledge is always dangerous. And by adopting exam oriented approach, you guys are inviting the half knowledge thing in yourself, where you might face issues when you go into your professional career, right? The second important thing is your friend circle. All of us know that how friends play a very important role. I don't say I didn't have friends, I had so many friends. And to be honest, my friends are very important to me and I don't want any one of them to go into wrong path. That's why be a person who has impact on others. Don't adopt anyone else's wrong things. You have a control on yourself. Don't go to wrong people. Friendship plays a very important role because the type of minds you sit with, the type of intellect you develop. Then the third important thing here is revision and consistency. Whatever I studied in the whole day, I will go back to my home, I'll revise, and honestly revision takes only 1.5 hours or 2 hours a day. Why can't you invest that? This all is investment. It will repay you when you are a professional. The more you revise, your memory becomes sharp and you start remembering the things. Then the fourth thing is pressure. Never pressurize yourself. Your Pressure is important for performance. That's very much evident, that unless you are under pressure and you analyze that, yeah, this thing is important in my life, you will not perform. But don't be so much pressurized that you forget your health, mental and physical both. Don't be under trauma. I did it to myself. When I was in professional, since I cleared my foundation and executive in first attempt, I pressurized myself that I want to get an all India rank, because of which I studied day and night, and I forgot that I had a health condition of migraine. When I was going to give my fifth exam in the professional program, which was tax, I met with an accident because I fainted from the scooty and I fell off. When I opened my eyes in the hospital, I was like, oh my god, my dream is shattered. Now I can't get an all India rank because there is a break. Oh my god, and I was depressed. But then I met Gajrani sir, I met other teachers, and all of them told me that this is not an end of your life. Actually, this is the beginning. This thing has taught you that how much important is to stand again with a vigor. That is something which matters a lot. Then the fifth thing is hope. Never lose hope. As a student, you are actually being built for your career. Even if you're not able to clear in one attempt, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Everyone is not same. All my 5 fingers are not same. When I started my internship, I started analyzing that my student knowledge. When I was a student, I studied Companies Act and various laws. All that knowledge has helped me out in my internship. People expect me to know what is the context of the law, right? I still remember that I had joined best CS firm in India, and I worked on an article on proxy. That was my first article which I was given as an intern. And the way I drafted the article, my boss was very happy because I had put in all my analysis and interpretation. As a student, whatever I had learned, I tried to put it all in. After that, he started giving me more and more work. You understand? So each work you do is actually paving your way for the other work which you get. It is true even in your internship and in your professional career. How you handle small jobs show your capability of handling the big things. That's how you have to take each and every task seriously. Be it writing minutes, be it writing, preparing notice and agenda, everything. So in internship, one important aspect is mistakes and questions. So your mistakes will be accepted because it is expected that you will do mistakes. You are at learning stage, right? And questions, you are allowed to ask even stupid questions, which you are allowed to ask during student days also. When I started my professional career in the law firm, I saw lawyers all around. I saw that their interpretational skills are like wow, and you have to cope up with them. And when they started testing me, they started asking me questions, and I started client facing, and I started analyzing that what actually the client wants and what is mentioned in the law. These two things have to be harmonized, as we have learned harmonial interpretation of law. Now harmonization becomes very important when you have to explain the aspects to the client, right? The client will not understand what is mentioned in the Companies Act. The client will not even care. The client will tell you that listen, I want these things. Now you have to read the law, you have to understand what I want, and you have to tell me the way which is within the parameter of law. Now you see that how the student life and then internship and then job, how these things keep on transforming. Your knowledge plays a vital role in all of the 3 stages. Unless you know what is mentioned and what is being amended, you will not be able to analyze the impact. So that's why everything comes in round and stops at one place. That is your knowledge, your interpretation, your analysis. That's why as on date, it is important for all of you guys that you sit, you understand, you be focused in the class, you don't operate your mobile. I'll tell you one more fact. Till I was a student, I was not on Facebook. I didn't had time to think of it. I was so much involved here. Every day I was in class, and after coming to class, I used to revise, then I used to have a sound sleep. All these things were important. That's why I would request all of you to be focused. Now, one important message which I have for all of you is that these quarantine days are actually not a holiday. These are not an opportunity for you to sleep, eat, and repeat and play games and do all these things. Developing your skills is very important. You will not get this time again where you are not going out and wasting your valuable time. You are sitting at home. And Nikola Tesla said one important thing: being alone always gives you great ideas. So always remember that when you are alone, your interpretation skills, your analysis will always boom out. That this is the time, guys. Cope up, start studying, start analyzing, have questions, frame questions. So the intent here is that we have 14 days more left in the quarantine, and I would suggest that I, being 3 years of experience, every day I am reading all the notifications which are coming from ministry. I am reading all the notifications which are released by SEBI, RBI, analyzing the impact of the notification, how it will be practically implemented. Everything I am doing. Today I am studying. Whenever the notification comes, my curiosity makes me like I have to study it. I have to understand why this notification came, what was the reason, what will be the practical impacts. So till date I am studying, till date I am a student, and learning is a never ending process. This is what I want to tell you guys. Keep on learning, and the habit of learning will be developed when you are a student. That's why your student life is very important. Don't waste it. Don't waste these 14 days. Develop a habit of reading, understanding, analyzing. And I hope that this video is fruitful to you guys, and hope to see you again. All the best, and keep up the spirits and do well. Thank you so much.